Marfu Super Independence Day District Adugi Deputy Commissioner na Luchingna Pangtokri. How Kibanumita Deputy Commissioner Office Complex ta Mapumoina Pangtokiba Thoramaduda Deputy Commissioner Thawal IAS Yumnam Robitana Machu Hongi Firal Chinkatpagaloinana Commander MPS Rima Haubamna Luchingba March Pass Contingent Ama Salatoduna Oki. Loinana Police NCC School Students Cultural Troops amadi Fire Service na Chingbagi apunba Mass Pass Contingent Kunmani bu select tawduna Oki. Pangthokiba thoramatuda SP Thawal Manoj Prabhakar, ADM Aribam Amarjit Sharma, SDO, SDC, DLO loinana DC ki official amadi staff kayana sarukyaki.
Our celebrations this year beautifully bridge our heritage and our future through two core themes. 150 years of Vande Mataram, honoring our eternal national song, and Yuva Shakti for Viksit Bharat 2047, which empowers our youth to lead in science, innovation and entrepreneurship that would contribute to a developed India in 2047. On this solemn and joyous occasion, let us reaffirm our collective resolve to uphold the ideals enshrined in our Constitution and work together to build a developed, inclusive, prosperous and self-reliant India. For Thawal District, the past year has been one of resilience, dedicated public service and meaningful progress. Despite numerous challenges, our district has continued to move forward through the collective efforts of government departments, security forces, elected representatives, civil society organizations, and above all, the resilient people of Thawal. Today, I am pleased to present some of the significant achievements accomplished during the past year. First of all, the access to clean drinking water is fundamental to human dignity. Out of the 30 Jal Jeevan Mission project, 32 have already been completed and made operational. More than 37,000 households have been provided with functional household tap connection. As a result, the district has achieved an impressive 88% household tap water coverage, bringing safe drinking water closer to every family. This achievement reflects our commitment to improving rural quality of life and public health. Much more needs to be done, but this is a step forward.